What I'm about to show you in this video is about to change the history of crypto. And if you guys want to know more about that, then make sure to stay tuned for the entire content of this video, because there is going to be impactful information that is going to either create an abundance for you or going to remove from you. So with that being said, if you're in the crypto space and you're a part of the Crypto Bliss community, welcome back to the crypto community, Crypto Bliss show. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Kiara. Guys, I apologize for not doing a video for you yesterday. Well, I did do 2 videos for you yesterday, as you can see here. Here's the video, but unfortunately, it's not that high quality. Although it was an incredible video, it just wasn't that high quality, so I couldn't publish it for you, and there was a lot of information in that video that you needed to watch. So I'm going to publish the video, but without seeing my face like you're seeing it right now in the bottom corner of the screen here. So with that being said, yeah, yesterday, unfortunately, I also had our long life family kitten, Kitty. She passed away yesterday. Her name was Chi. I do love her and miss her so much, but she is now gone. She has been buried and put back to earth. So yeah, very heartbreaking moments for me, but I'm still here yesterday and today with tears. Yesterday, you should have seen the video, what it looked like. My eyes looked like bloodshot from all of the crying and the emotion and the pain that I've experienced with it. I was very, very close with her. We all were, and it was very painful to experience that. But guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for your care. Thank you for your love, and welcome back to the Crypto Bliss show. Super excited to be here with you today. Today, the cryptocurrency market cap is currently sitting at just under 1.1 trillion. Bitcoin is still sitting at 26,000. Guys, I missed my trade like by an absolute millifraction. You know, because I've been DCAing into my position, but I've been putting limit orders into my trades. And I'd like to say to you here, if you go and have a look at my trade over there, okay, you can see all my buy positions, and where I have my limit, I put it at 25,000. The price bounced down to 25 yesterday, 25,000. Let me just go and see this candle. $25,267. So it missed it by about $267. Now, that is one of the worst feelings in the world. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced that. Let me know down in the comments, where you put a limit down there because that's perhaps where you believe that support zone might actually come down to, and it just misses it. Yeah, see, that stuff makes me malakis, yeah. But anyways, nonetheless, I didn't get in. So I am watching the chart, because there is on the 4-hour, it's looking a little bit more bullish action than not, and we'll have a look at that in a little moment. So Ethereum sitting at 1645, BNB 216, XRP 51 cents, Lido 1643, Cardano 26 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Solana $20.81, Polkadot $4.41, Polygon 55 cents, Shiba 8.27. So Shiba's pumping again. Litecoin, oh my shit, that is cheap for Litecoin. $65. I mean, Litecoin has literally fallen 20%. Then BTC Cash 187, Uni 474, AVAX $10.19. My gosh, I'm going to be scooping up more of you. Chainlink $6.22. Stellar is now pumping here at 12 cents. Then we have Cosmos at $7.41. So lots of crazy stuff happening out there. The fear and greed index for the day. Oh, excuse me. My protein shake. 37. 37. Same as yesterday, same as the day before. So same nonsense happening out there in the fear and greed index at the moment. Then the crypto bubbles. You can see Sui, Near, Algo, FTT, Casper, SHIB are all pumping against BTC. So that's excellent work over there. So now, with that being said, guys, this is huge space to see what's going on, because the ones that are in the red are the ones that you want to be accumulating right now. So I hope you guys are accumulating those coins. Let me know down in the comments below if you are accumulating these coins. And then yesterday I said to you that we would have had some volatile news, and that's exactly what happened. We did have a little bit of volatile news with these two speaking, and then existing home sales that came out. Now, today we have S&P Flash PMI, S&P Flash Manufacturing PMI, Services PMI, Manufacturing PMI, as well as new home sales. And this is going to make the market move today without a doubt. And then also here in South Africa, I've been hearing lots of jets flying over yesterday and today. Now, it's very interesting, guys, because I haven't heard jets fly over since C19. So today, the presidents from around the world have been arriving from all over, from the BRICS nations. And here in South Africa, we are hosting the BRICS conference this year. And then this weekend is, of course, Jackson Hole. So very interesting to see what's going on out there. But the BRICS meeting starts tomorrow. And of course, BRICS is Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and then a whole bunch of other, I think there's maybe 20 others or 24 other countries that are trying to align with BRICS. And what BRICS are trying to do is they're trying to create a new currency. Perhaps this is what the talks are about now. This is speculation at the moment, but it has been coming out in articles on the internet. And we'll have a look at one or two of that maybe in another video. But basically, you can see that BRICS are really trying to push the dollar out of existence at the moment. So, with that being said, Australia's CBDC is likely some years away, central banks say. Super simple article. This is one of the best articles that I wanted to share with you in this video. And this is what is going to help change the entire crypto industry. So Thailand's new pro-crypto prime minister was an active crypto investor. The resolution of political drama and appointment of Srettha Thavisin as Thailand's next prime minister means 10,000 baht, the Thai baht airdrop is likely happening. So there's some pros and cons. So cool, you get 10,000 baht, which is $300 worth of crypto, or THB, which is the digital version of Thai baht, right? So prior to life in politics, Srettha was CEO of real estate developer Sansiri, which was an active participant in the country's digital asset sector. In 21, Sansiri took 15% stake in Thailand's based digital asset service provider Xspring, which operates a broker in conjunction with Krung Thai Bank as well as licensed ICO portal. So a year later, Sansiri launched Siri Hub token on Xspring, REIT-like structure that provides dividends from Sansiri campus, one of the company's major developments. So that's incredible. Now, it's a national airdrop. It's not for people like you and I. If you're in Thailand, you may be getting this, but you have to be a Thai citizen in order to receive the 10,000 Thai baht, which is valued at about $300. And the shitty thing about this is that it will be given to every Thai citizen 16 and over and can only be spent within 4 kilometers of their home, a party spokesperson explained in the Bangkok Post. Now, this project had its share of critics because of the sheer cost estimated to be at about 500 billion Thai baht, or $14.3 billion, and the use blockchain existing digital bank. So now the crazy thing about this, right, is that they can only use it within a 4-kilometer radius of their home. What do you think things like CBDCs are going to do to you? What, you can only shop within 1 kilometer of your home, or like the closest store? That is bull rubbish. Okay, so I don't dig that. So as pro crypto as this new prime minister of Thailand is, that is not a good sign. Okay. So bipartisan crypto holdings are also happening right now. One of the other news articles that I wanted to share with you is that Ripple gives up all of its gains made after Ripple Labs SEC victory. A general bearish market has weighed down on XRP prices after a landmark victory by Ripple Labs. So without going too much into it, you can see we made a huge crazy pump. Boom, went up to 85 odd cents. Boom, and crashed literally right back down to erase all of the gains that we saw from the XRP Ripple case win, which, that's hectic, guys. That's so intense with what's going on. And that is entirely huge manipulation. So in the video that I was meant to launch for you yesterday, it shows you a little bit about whales and what whales are doing at the moment. So nearly 90% of all of Bitcoin short-term, not long-term, short-term holders are underwater on-chain data shows. So sharp upticks in short-term holder supply in loss tend to follow up top-heavy markets such as May 21, December 21, and again this week, as Observer said. So the short-term holders are definitely, with a sell-off of 88.3% of the supply control by short-term holders, Okay, well, this is not true because actually about 14.5 out of the 21 million Bitcoin. This is why you must know your stuff, guys. About 14.5 million of the Bitcoin, the 21 million Bitcoin, are the Bitcoin that long-term holders are holding and not selling. So this is not a correct statistic. There's look, and this is by Glassnode, which is very interesting. So in other words, 2.56 million Bitcoin, okay, 66.5 billion held in short-term holders, around 2.6 million Bitcoin have an acquisition cost higher than the market going rate. So what they're basically just trying to say is that short-term holders, as you can see here, the red line, are in a loss because the current price that they had to sell is under the current price. And then if the top heavy market short-term holders supply in loss accelerates, so you can see that that's what's happened here. And then the same thing is busy increasing at the moment as we speak here. So lots of news there. And the last little article I wanted to share with you was Binance needs to get off Twitter. Until the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange gets better at corporate communications, it's just fighting itself. So to cut a long article short, basically Binance came out on Twitter and said something along the lines of, we would like to, we're not going to be transacting in euros anymore. However, that's not entirely true. So PaySafe Payment Solutions, Binance's banking partner in the area, confirmed that withdrawals and deposits conducted in single euro payments area, or SEPA, would be available until September 25th. The original date it gave after announcing in June it would drop the exchange as a customer following a strategic review. So cool. It's a whole bunch of mess happening out here, but that doesn't mean that they're stopping trading in dollars. It's just the company that they're going to do it with, they're going to remove themselves from the company and probably go and choose a different company. Oh, sorry guys, need oxygen. So as you guys can see here, huge stuff. Come and read this article yourself. It's a bit long for me to read in this video because I want to jump onto the chart right now. So let's go and take a look at the Dixie to start. As always, the Dixie today is looking a lot more bullish than it was a day or two ago when I did this video. So, wow. We held support here. We bounced support off of the 200 on the daily. We are breaking through the support. So if we close a candle above this area of support here, you know, we could end up coming more or less to this region over here, which is the 104 level. I have previously said that to you guys. So if we do see a little bit more of a push up, that's what's going to happen in the Bitcoin price chart. So with that being said, the Bitcoin price today, the candle has fallen, and now normally this is the candle that closed yesterday. You can see there's been huge sell volume that has been coming in, so that is telling us that it wants to go down. But this was a strong buyback up, so it doesn't want to be below this position here of the 26,000 level. Okay. But in saying that, you can see here that on the 4-hour we had a massive buy up candle right here. But that doesn't mean that we're going to continue up, because essentially right now you see we've got two candles that are smaller versions, but they're shooting star candles. And shooting star candles are telling us that we will be pointing down to the downside. So, you know, guys, maybe we want to come test the bottom of the box at the 20. I mean, we already came kind of down to 25,000. So, yeah, that's very, very interesting. You see here on Binance, it came down to 25,475, whereas on Bybit, it came down to 25,267. So, very interesting stuff happening out there. So, guys, we have a huge position here that we need to be relaxing with and waiting. We are looking, guys, we are extraordinarily oversold on the RSIs, on the candles themselves. We need some sort of pullback, and maybe we pull back to this region right here. I'm going to pull these lines across so that you guys can see that. But maybe we pull back and somewhat come back up to this zone up here, the 28K level, where there's a lot of resistance overhead now, where if we don't get above that level, we will come and continue the pattern to the downside. So huge moves happening. And like I said to you guys in my video yesterday, just last little thing, and if you guys want to trade these coins with me, make sure to hit my Bitflex and Bybit links down in the comment in the descriptions below. Let's go and trade these coins together. So very simply, what I want to show you in my videos is that I showed that this level over here, the 25,000, it was huge resistance, and now it's acting as support. So we've got support here at the moment. Can we hold on to support? What do you guys think down below? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for being here with me today, part of the Crypto Blitz community, and I really appreciate every single last one of you. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure to go and watch this video, because this video was even crazier than this one. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one. Beautiful.